Previously on Maiku's Race to 100 Countries. Vietnam has certainly become more like a Dark Souls adventure for me. After riding the bus of nightmares to the northern city of Ha Giang, we prepared to tackle one of the most ambitious adventures I have done so far in my YouTube career. Motorcycling the Ha Giang Loop, with this being my first time on a motorcycle. And given that the first day of the loop is supposed to be the easiest, and I'm on a mission to film my adventures by myself while I was getting worse and worse health-wise as time passed, it was clear I was riding straight into the danger zone. So this week we deep dive up along the Chinese-Viet border, eat some questionable food, and drive on the world's most beautiful mountain roads.
Hey man.
Hi,
How you doing?
I am got the person working on the reception. On the.
You are the manager.
No. I am.
Big boss.
On the kitchen. How do you call the person? Yeah, how do you call the person on the kitchen?
Chef.
I am chef.
Oh, okay.
Food's really good, thank you. Sorry.
You're not a good chef.
Good morning, guys. Thanks, Imran. So if you want to do the hiking loop and you don't feel super comfortable on one of these bikes, there's something that you can do. You can actually go on one of those tours and they'll actually bring like an experienced cyclist and you just ride on the back and then you can take selfies and do whatever. So you could definitely still do this tour without having to ride the bike. This is day 2. Let's get started. Camera's all put away. My bike's all ready to go. Let's go. Oh, you have the paper map this entire time.
Huh?
You have the paper map this entire time. So FYI, I don't exactly know how to use a GoPro with a motorbike and do everything at the same time. When there's like a motorcycle show, they have an entire film crew with a follow team and everything. We're just gonna make this up as we go along for YouTube, okay? So try not to judge me on the film cinematography this time.
So after a quick fill up at the gas station.
Nice. 1.5 or 5.0?
Oh, no, 50,000.
Oh, okay. How you feeling?
Really good.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. All these guys are getting ready. We're all getting ready. We have, what, 5 hours of biking ahead today?
I'm not sure. It's like depending on how fast we're going.
Yeah.
What happens on the way.
had like a cameraman here and you get someone to record as you go up the hill. But I'm only one man. Nanda, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. It's so beautiful here.
Group picture? Yeah. Rain time. I don't know if that's gonna hold, but I'm hoping it does. Good luck. All right, let's go. Bye-bye. It's been pouring really hard. Oh shit, you okay? They forgot the rule. All right, we're good.
So halfway towards the second location, the heavens decided to downpour on us. And I'll be the first one to admit it, riding in the rain, not that much fun. And just as we arrived at the Chinese-Vietnam border, the rain stopped and the roads changed into this weird, pristine borderway.
It's okay. The last rainfall has negatively affected my health. Negatively affected my health. Can't stop coughing. So this national flagpole was built in 2010, and it's just to piss off the Chinese people, the Chinese country. It's over there, that's the Chinese border over there. In fact, all of this over here is China. Not allowed to cross into there because of COVID restrictions. We'll probably get shot, honestly. Yeah, all of this over here is all China. From what I understand, the Vietnamese don't like the Chinese, and Chinese don't like the Vietnamese, so it's interesting. But here's China. This guy right over here is one of the big stops for the Haijiang tour. It's like a big FU to their country neighbor, China, which is over there. Castle, I think. Oh shit, she's up there. Honestly, I don't know why I was coughing so much up there, but it's gone now. Maybe it's the bike. Maybe I'm like focused on the bike and now stop coughing. But here we go.
So we decided to stop at a roadside restaurant where I had a very short argument with the group about how this wasn't Viet food. It was stir-fried Chinese junk food similar to a roadside diner you'd find in America. However, we didn't get too far into the argument though because the heavy downpour came back and we needed to leave right away to make it safely to our homestay. So remember when I said the Haijiang Loop was super dangerous? Well, it started raining, and then the landslides started to come. And then we started to see the reasons why landslides were coming.
Go, 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 go!
What's he doing? What was the point of that? Hey gents, we're all gonna do this together?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
And then we caught up with the actual tour group we stole the itinerary from at the beginning of a very sketchy path down a mountain. They had their own mishaps and wild adventures of their own.
I don't know what we're going to do, but we have to do
There's a cow! There's a cow! There's a cow!
That goes dead past my bike, right?
Oh shit!
Oh, fucking hell, the
Oh, the cow's down! The cow's down!
Lads, we need some muscle power here. Right,
Then the funniest thing happened. The more sketchy the road, the more I enjoyed the ride. All in all, it was all worth it in the end because by the time we got to the mountain road at the top of the mountain, it was absolutely spectacular.
What? I can't believe it. Freaking amazing. Nanda's probably pretty worried about us. There's cars behind us. Good, yeah. The only working camera left.
By this point, all of my camera battery and my phone battery was dead, meaning Nanda had the only remaining camera to film the rest of the way to the homestay. With only 30 minutes of sunlight remaining, we hightailed it to the next homestay, the Mio Vac Clay House.
It's okay.
So that is where I'm going to leave it with you guys this week. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. And until next week, I'll see you guys later.